Hi, my name is Pararat, and this is the last task, number 6. Final exam word formation from the language form and functions. Um, about the word formation, the topic that I chose was blends. So I really want to make a little introduction about the relation that has blends and word formation. So, the most common way of classifying the word formation patterns in English is morphemic patterns and non-morphemic patterns, but we need to focus on non-morphemic patterns. The main point of that on this process is the fact, or the addition of the fact that they know the morpheme boundaries, is that they are less regular and therefore less predictable. We can find in non-morphemic patterns words as back formation, blending, acronym formation, clipping, reduplicate formations. But what does blends mean? Blends is a combination of two words, two or more words, can I say, to create a new one with a new information, with a new knowledge, usually taking to the beginning of the other word and at the end to the other word. For example, when I say emoticon, emoticon is the combination of emotion and icon. So emoticon, emotion, and icon. So I show you two types of that. The first one, what is blends used for? I have to ask this first. The term blending subsumes a number of ways in which two or more words can be merged into each other. When I speak about the two types, I can use this word formation as combine two words or just mix them. Yeah. So, in the most typical cases, overlapping segments of words are exploited as, for example, smoke. You can see smoke is a word that is mixed with two words, smoke, with smoke plus fog. So that can result smoke. Another type is the meaning of the blending lexemes are also blending a meaning of the source of lexemes. Example, sexploitation. Sexploitation becomes from sex and exploitation. So, if you don't know what exploitation means, is the commercial exploitation of sex in films or in another media. So, again, if you see again the sexploitation word, there are the two words that become the word completely. There are full forms, sex and exploitation. So let's see some examples of what I'm saying. The first one, because it has some flowers, but in general it's a flower. So I say flower plus pot. So the blend will be flower pot. Flower pot. You see, is two words that it put each another. So flower pot. Another example I have electro and execute. We mix that. Electrocute. Electrocute. Another one, friend, enemy. Friend, enemy. So friend plus enemy will be frenemy. Frenemy. Okay, that's it. That is the reference that I use it, and I made my corrections. Okay, and bye bye.